Hey, coming in with cacao and Egyptian musk incense, sitting in the power of Lunar Day, Monday, with a message from Seshat, Nutur, nature spirit of architecture, the library of eternal life. And that's in the mode she came to me as the scribe of the Akashic records. And coming into that also came the medicine of cannabis, which I personally do not partake in, but to connect to Seshat and the wisdom of Aset or Isis or Venus, you can sit with the medicine of cannabis, a very ital version of it, meaning no super strands or, highly potent, genetically modified soil under synthetic UV lights to get the biggest leaves. But if you sit with very organic roots version of cannabis as a tea, you can contact Seshat to access your Akashic records, your own memory library. And when I did partake in cannabis, that is something that I do remember. It gave me direct visions. It gave me direct messages. I was able to peel back the layers of my external vision so easily when partaking in cannabis. I don't particularly remember dreams, but I feel like when you partake in cannabis, what may be in your subconscious dreams come in your waking world. So instead of dreaming, it comes as you're awake, and that's probably why sometimes when you partake in cannabis, you don't dream as much or you don't remember your dreams, because that vision comes when you're awake and smoking cannabis. So just sitting with that, and I'm thinking of making my own elixir of cannabis tea with other herbs to help ground me as I use it as a modality to connect to my memory library, so that my head isn't too far up into the clouds, that I have a root attached, because that's why I stopped smoking cannabis, because it really, if you're already ethereal and really connected to different planes, it can really take you there. And I remember even after being taken there and coming back out of the cannabis medicine, it will stay with me days after taking it, similar to when people partake in LSD and they say it's like in your spinal cord, so you can just be living life and it will just shoot back up into your membranes, months and years after you've already taken LSD or acid and whatever. So that's how it is with me and cannabis. So I hope you journey well. If you choose to partake in cannabis tea, connect with Seshat.